Alright everybody, so today we're going to be going over some beginner-friendly shoulder exercise, prioritizing free weights over machines. Starting off today, we're going to be doing a half kneeling, one arm shoulder press. Now this is a great exercise, not just because it gets you coordination from one side to the other, so we don't have to be too bilaterally heavy, but it also works some anti-lateral flexion, so we're going to have some core involvement as well. Once you feel like you have this movement down, you can go into a 2 dumbbell half kneeling shoulder press, and then eventually leading to a standing 1 dumbbell shoulder press. Now for the standing variation, we're going to need a little bit more stability in order to execute the reps properly. So ensure that you're bracing your core, ensure that you are pressing in the scapular plane, which is about 35 degrees out, and you're inhaling as you descend in the lift and exhale as you push up. Now once you mastered the standing variation, I would go to a seated variation where you have more stability, which will allow you to press more weight. Doing a seated shoulder press with an incline such as the one shown is going to be great for putting you within an anterior dominant shoulder press and also pressing in the scapular plane. Give these a try and let's strengthen those shoulders.